Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to equip M4A1-S and the M4A4 in Counter-Strike 2. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step. And without further ado, let's get on it. So in your CS2 main menu, what you'll need to do is to just simply and go to the loadout section. So here's the loadout section. You should be able to see that on the upper part of your screen. And after going into your loadout section, just click into this all items right here and then just simply select rifle. So after clicking to the rifle, you can now click onto the weapon that you want to swap from your loadout. So for example, if you want to install the or do you want to swap M4A4, you just need to simply select it from the options below, and then instead of right clicking on the weapon that you want to equip from below, you'll need to drag the weapon and drop it into your loadout. For example, here's the M4A4. So you just need to simply click into M4A4 and then just simply drag it out from here to here. And you can also do that on your other weapons that you want to use in your CSGO. So as you can see right here, here's here's the weapons that you want to or you're going to use in your game. So that's it for this video and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.